Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Kinetic energy questions get sneaky fast, so watch this quick breakdown. The student counted both blocks, but did that actually capture the whole moving system? It adds 1/2 times 3m naught times v naught squared and 1/2 times 2m naught times v naught squared, counting only both blocks. But the system named in the problem includes the pulley too, and that pulley has rotational inertia, so if it rotates, it must also have rotational kinetic energy. Because the string does not slip, the block's motion makes the pulley spin, so the total system kinetic energy is larger than the student wrote. Well done! Option C, scan now. Trap, rushing past included objects. Rule, trust what's given and check every moving part before accepting an energy equation.